like the words are just a piece of my soul. I transcend into the artist that I wanna be. I demonstrate my dominance and derelict with dialect. My etiquette is excellence. I dedicate my all to this. I solemnly swear it. I serenade with selections of different cadences to kill it. Really invested in this.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brandon back with another build, and today, yes, we are doing another budget build. So if you see right here, we are starting off with a DIY PC computer case. Got a big nice open side panel, haven't popped it open yet. As for a motherboard, we're doing one of the Intel OEM boards, and we're going to be using a i5 3570 processor, which is a 4-core 4-thread 3rd generation. Got a nice RGB cooler for that. Then going with some HyperX Genesis. These are two 4GB sticks of 1600 megahertz, so gonna have 8 gigs of DDR3 in total. Graphics card for this system is gonna be an MSI GTX 1060 3GB, so it's a little bit less than the GTX 1060 6GB. And then what's gonna be powering it all is a EVGA bronze 500 watt 80 plus rated power supply. So it should be a solid little setup. As usual, it will come with a Wi-Fi dongle. All the systems that we do build, I throw in one of these little Wi-Fi USB dongles in the back, so it's got LAN and also Wi-Fi, because most people end up unfortunately having to use Wi-Fi nowadays. But I'm going to go ahead and get this system together, and then I can show you guys how it actually performs. If you're interested in buying one of my systems, I sell them all through eBay, but I am going to set up a little website so you can kind of see some of my past builds, previous builds, and ones that are currently for sale. So thank you guys for watching. Just sit back, relax, and have a good time. Alright guys, so I am getting Windows installed on that computer. The monitor is up there above. I did a little video round of the I/O if anybody was interested in what kind of plugs and stuff. Unfortunately, this motherboard was pre-USB 3.0, so there's one USB 3.0 plug on the front of the case, and I have some USB like little rubber plugs. I'm going to just plug that off because unfortunately that USB plug won't be used for anything. But this is still a good looking case. I'm really happy with how it turned out. A little bit of RGB. It looks pretty good. I'm not upset with that at all. So I'm gonna get Windows installed. We're gonna play some games, show you how this thing does. And if you're interested in buying this computer or any other computer, I'm gonna have a website for a little landing page now, because I'm starting to sell a bunch of these, but they are all sold through eBay. But the website will have like previous builds and stuff like that. Alright guys, well normally I go and do a little bit of gameplay after I do the Cinebench on the actual processor to see how it scored at. By the way, that one scored a 445, so a little bit under what a Ryzen 3 1200 is, so a solid for a quad core. But I didn't actually get any time to game on this system or do anything other than literally putting it together. I threw it up on eBay and it sold the first day. So this system is already packaged and packed up, and I'm sending it out tomorrow. But we got some more builds coming soon. Actually going to be doing another build for another friend of mine, and going to be doing another build to throw back up on eBay for the time being. So if you want anything or want any help, if you're building your own computer, just shout out to me and send me an email and I can help you out with anything. So yeah, later guys, peace.